Hi, this is Dr. Pradeep Kumar, the Legislative Chair of the TSGE, and I'd like to inform you of what happened in session this season. First and foremost, the TSGE helped sponsor and promote Senate Bill 1028, which made the law of the state that colon cancer screening and prevention started at age 45 for all the methods that we know. And the TSG had an active role in this, whereas the original bill was to follow the guidelines of the American Cancer Society. Through our input, we expanded that to include the U.S. Preventative Task Force, which is more clinically relevant for our everyday practice in gastroenterology. So that was a big win for the TSG and for the patients of Texas to be able to prevent colon cancer at the appropriate age of 45. Also, scope of practice was big on our list, and scope of practice allowing nurse practitioners to practice medicine did not come out of committee, very partially and actively because of TSGE's involvement amongst other medical parties. Other things that are lower on the totem pole that we accomplished this legislative session was the medical billings tax, the idea that medical billing would not be subject to taxation. So that was released. GME, we have expanded the role of GME so that medical students that are educated in Texas with Texas taxpayers will have an opportunity to train in Texas and thereby reside and work in Texas thereafter. We also had a positive impact on prior authorization with the golden rule that if you've had 90% of your prior auths approved the year before, that you need not pursue this heinous and technically a demanding act of having prior auths for everything. And on down the line, the TSG has had a role and an impact in improving the health care for Texans and for gastroenterologists throughout the state of Texas. So we've been very active, and we've considered this a very positive session, and we hope that you continue to be involved in our legislative process and influence the way that we can practice better medicine in the state of Texas. For Dr. Pradeep Kumar for the TSGE Legislative Chair, I thank you for your attention.